Warm greetings from Mozambique, Africa. My name is Lucas Nguyen. I'm a 22 years young man from Mozambique, Southern Africa. Well, I'm a founder of a small local NGO called Helpers, where we deal with different issues, and we have some local and international partners that help us reach our proposed aims. So, as food insecurity is also a social issue, in a certain way, we are also working in this field. For instance, we have a partnership with a South African organization called the South Africa Institute of International Affairs that works in topics like that. Talking about my point of view of how to mitigate food insecurity around the world and very particular in Africa, I could say that many efforts have been taken in the general content in Africa in terms of reducing food insecurity and spreading agriculture capacity in Africa. But there are still many things that we can still do. Yes, and one of the way of maximize this aim, this work, is to involve everybody, put everybody inside this objective. Well, as we know, many of the people that produce food in Africa are small farmers. We have some big companies that investing in agriculture in Africa, just say Chinese companies and some small group of European companies, but mainly of the Asians are the one who are still investing in terms of techniques, companies, and machinery. But I think that if we could invest much more in small farmers, training them, providing them with better production techniques, better seeds, practice, we could reach better results and be much more effective. Because much than half of the people that produce food in Africa, those small farmers. And also we have to invest in education in terms of food management and agro-education, so that people can be much more aware of how to deal with food when we have food in our in our in our hands.